Hello, welcome to K1 Repair Center. Making a video to show you how you can test it if in case you got a liquid in the earpiece and what's happening with the phone. If in case it's a liquid in your proximity flex or earpiece. There's iPhone XS, iPhone X is the same. Let me connect the screen back in that I can show you. Careful. So if I connected the proximity back to the phone, so plug the charge in. Let's have a look. Is it? Oh, is it light? So let me bring it up. So you see, Apple logo, flash green, like a greenish, and turn off again. So if you think your phone is a liquid, this is how you test it. If you're able to take the screen off, disconnect the proximity from the phone, plug the battery back in there and turn the phone on. That is how you can test if the proximities need to be repaired. It means it's been liquidated in. The customer sent the phone to us and it's safe phone flashing after going out, and you can see is the working all right without the proximity. Okay, now I'm going to disconnect it, open it, desolder the component and that one, clean it up and put it back in there and have a look. So if you have question about this repair, please go to www.k1repaircenter.com and use the contact form. Send me your inquiry and I'm trying my best to help you. You can also send your phone to us for repair if in case you need it. Now I'm going to pause the video and go to other side to start to desolder that one and show you how to do it. But this is the way, this is the way how you can find out your phone. This is a problem. It's before, if you got that problem, the flashing, and you think it's the phone, maybe water, liquid damage, or it was in dam or rain or in shower, try to do it that one before you connect it to iTunes to get an error. Okay? Because if you do connect to iTunes, possibility you lose all your data in there, and if you don't know your Apple ID and password, it's hard to get it back all in again. So let the pause the video, go other side and start to do the repair.